Hello. So I'm so excited today because I'm going to tell you 10 things that I am not going to buy in 2021. Let's get into it. Hello, my name's Tamara Lynette, and I am an MIT, a minimalist in training, minimalist fashionista, self-proclaimed that is. And today I want to talk to you about 10 things that I have decided that I'm not going to buy in 2021. I think it's important on this journey to minimalism to make some promises to myself, to come up with a plan as to how to sustain the minimalism once I get there, that is, because I'm not even there yet. Yeah, I still got a ways to go. So let's get to my list. Number one, professional shoes. I love shoes. I love shoes, and I have a ton of shoes, but I'm not going to buy any more this year. I didn't even wear the majority of my shoes last year, so I've gained like a year's worth of traction. What is that? A year's worth of, yeah. So I've gained a year's worth of miles on my shoes by not wearing them. But in any case, I already had too many shoes. So as much as I love shoes, count this sister out. She's not buying them. Number two, kitchen gadgets. Sometimes kitchen gadgets can make cooking a lot easier. However, I'm a basic cook. I usually use a pan and a spatula or the microwave. So the waffle iron, the blender, the NutriBullet, I have so many different gadgets that I'm not using. So I'm not going to add to it this year. Not gonna buy a kitchen gadget. Number three, perfume. Oh my God, this is a hard one. Okay, maybe it's not a hard one. I mean, I love perfume. Yes, I love perfume, but not gonna buy it. I have plenty. I have plenty to last me through the year. I'm on a minimalist journey. Not gonna buy any new perfume in the year 2021. Catch me in 2022 though. Who knows? Number four, purses. Oh my God. Purses are so near and dear to my heart, you guys. You don't even know. I love me a good, beautiful, pretty, fashionable purse. Ah! But I'm not going anywhere right now. I'm on a minimalist journey. Remember that? MIT, minimalist in training. Number five, winter coats and jackets. I think every year, maybe for the last maybe 6-7 years, I've purchased a coat or a jacket or both. I love winter coats and jackets. However, I live in California, so we only really need to wear like a coat, like coming down to your knees coat, maybe 3 or 4 days out of the year. Number six, eyeshadow and eyeshadow palettes. I think almost every month last year, maybe every other month last year, I bought a new eyeshadow palette. I love eyeshadow and I love eyeshadow palettes. I realize I only have one set of eyes, however, and there's only so many shades and so many shades of shades and a breakdown of a shade. If I don't have this shade by now, I don't need it. Okay, don't quote me for saying that, okay, because I love eyeshadow. But I'm not going to buy any in 2021. Done. Nope. You can't convince me. Stop it. Stop. Stop it. Number seven, nail polish. Oh, everything on this list I love, but everything on this list I also have an abundance of, yet I still buy it because there's always like a hint of a shade. Like they just put a little extra drop of color, maybe in that red or in that blue to make it not quite sky blue. It's like sky-ish blue. So I gotta get that shade. No, I don't. No more nail polish for 2021. Number eight, professional clothes. I'm working from home, and while we're in 2021 and the vaccine has come out, there's a chance we might go back to the office at some point in this year, but it doesn't matter because I still have an entire wardrobe overabundance of clothes that I didn't wear last year. So again, I still have clothes that have less miles on them because I didn't wear them last year. since I have overconsumed, I no longer need all these clothes. Number 9, watches. Watches, watches, watches. Ah, how I love thee. Let me count the ways. I like to buy watches in different colors and slightly different styles. Actually, they're all kind of the same style because they're all the same maker pretty much. But I don't need any more. No more watches for me. So we've made it to number 10. If you've made it this far, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, number 10 is water bottles. I have a nice collection of water bottles. I've got them in all different sizes. I've got some that you use straws with, some that you just sip out of the bottle, some that are aluminum, that are plastic, that are smaller, that are taller. I'm good on water bottles. This is my pledge to you all. I will not purchase anything on my 10-item list. I am serious about becoming a minimalist. And I have to start somewhere. So this is another place that I'm going to start, and that's making a pledge to not buy extra of these things. Baby steps, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time with less stuff.